Welcome to cuộc sống Việt Mỹ. Today we're making sugar cookies.
Hôm nay mình sẽ làm món bánh cookie nha các bạn.
Ingredients include
sugar cookie mix,
one stick of
butter,
butter,
one egg,
some frosting
and some sprinkles.
if you want, and then some cookie molds.
Yeah.
And also 3 tablespoons of flour. Nguyên liệu gồm có sugar cookie mix, 1 quả trứng, 3 tablespoons bột mì, nên là gì mà? Frosting, sprinkles và 1 cây bơ. Let's get started. So first, we're gonna pour this in?
Yep.
Okay. You gonna pour it in?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yep.
Into here. So we're gonna pour the 3 tablespoons of flour into the cookie mix. Đây là 3 tablespoons bột mì mình sẽ đổ vào đây. Xong mình sẽ quay cho nó đều. Okay. Mình sẽ bỏ 1 quả trứng vô. This is the egg. We're just gonna put the egg in.
Yep.
And then mix.
Okay.
This is half a stick of salt and butter. We're just gonna put it in. So we're gonna pour it in the bowl so Savannah, you want to introduce yourself?
Yep. My name is Savannah.
How old are you?
8 years old, almost 9 in
Almost
September.
9. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is yellow, butter yellow,
Butter yellow. It has to be butter yellow.
just like my nail.
You wanna put that So to make this process easier, I think the butter should be super softened. Like, Like put it out for like an hour. Before you
Unicorn.
do this. So after a lot of hard work, this is what it looks like.
Yep.
Tight. Wrong. So now we're gonna knead it. Nhưng mình sẽ bỏ ra và làm gì?
Làm khuôn,
No, phải
phải bắt bánh,
phải làm ra cho một miệng dai.
phải nhồi nha.
Giờ mình sẽ lấy ra và nhồi.
Yeah.
So we just finished baking and now we're gonna decorate them.
Yeah.
Mình mới nướng cookie xong thì giờ mình sẽ trang trí. We're gonna put them in Ziploc bags to. You want to just put all of them in, and then it'll be like rainbow.
Orange frosting, pink frosting, green frosting, and purple frosting.
See how it tastes.
Taste test.
It's good. It's crunchy,
Crunchy, kind of soft.
chewy,
Yep.
buttery,
Yep.
a little bit salty, a little bit
Yeah.
sweet.
That's why it's called sugar cookie.
Good. It's very good.
I know.
The frosting is not too sweet.
It looks like whipped cream.
The cookie's not too sweet either.
Yeah.
It's good.
So this is our surprise cookie for Father's Day.
Isn't it cute, kind of?
Yeah. It looks like a cake.
This is the unicorn. It looks kind of bad, but
Yeah.
it tastes really good.
Yeah.
That's all. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye.